When positive integer n, so I've got an integer n, is divided by 5, the remainder is 1. So 5 goes in the n some amount of times with the remainder equal 1. When n is divided by 7, you get some number, and the remainder is 3. What is the smallest positive integer k such that k plus n is a multiple of 35? Okay, so we need to figure out what we need to add to n such that k plus n is a multiple of 35. All right, well, let's think about this. Let me erase that k plus n. That's kind of in my way. So, if you divide anything by 5, like 5 will go into 6, that gives you a remainder of 1. 5 goes into 7, that's going to be a remainder 2. My point is, your remainder is going to be 1 through 4, right? 5 will go into 8 one time, that's remainder 3. And 5 will go into 9, that's remainder 4. Of course, 5 goes into 10 evenly. All right, so if the remainder is 1, how much do I need to add to n to where there wouldn't be a remainder? I'd have to add what? n plus 4, right? n plus 4, because if I did n plus 4, that's going to make this number where 5 would go into it evenly. Now, what about with thinking about the same logic with this remainder equal 3? So there, the remainder, when you divide anything by 7, the remainder is going to be 1 through 6. Okay? Here, the remainder is 3. How much do I need to add to n to be where 7 would go into n evenly? Well, we'd need to add a 4. So, of course, 5 times 7 is the smallest number that a 5 and 7 will go into is 35, but that's not what we're trying to find. We're trying to figure out what number we need to add, and it's going to be a 4. And where is that problem? That's going to be answer B.